Introduction: JavaScript is a powerful, high-level, interpreted programming language widely used in web development. The ternary operator is a feature of JavaScript offering a shorter syntax for conditional operations. What is a ternary operator? A ternary operator is a conditional operator that takes three operands: a condition to check, a result for true, and a result for false. It is a shorthand way to write an if-else statement. Example of a ternary operator: a variable score is checked whether it's greater than or equal to 50. If the score is greater than or equal to 50, pass is printed, otherwise fail is printed. Advantages of ternary operators: ternary operators make code concise and readable, eliminating the need for verbose if-else control flow structures. They are useful when a value needs to be assigned to a variable based on a condition. Tips and tricks for using ternary operators: use parentheses for complex expressions to avoid ambiguity. In a return statement, the return keyword is not necessary in the branches of the ternary operator. Keep ternary operations simple. Use if-else statements for complex logic, common pitfalls, and how to avoid them. Don't overlook the order of operations in a ternary expression. The condition is always evaluated first. Understand that a ternary operator always returns a value. A ternary operator is not a replacement for all if-else statements. It should only be used for simple conditional checks. When using ternary operators in assignments, ensure the assigned values are of the same type or can be correctly converted. Conclusion: the ternary operator in JavaScript is a powerful tool for concise and readable code. Conditions should be clear and simple, and remember that the ternary operator always returns a value.